Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Word. Open the desktop app and a document so settings apply. First, go to File and choose Account to view Office theme. This controls the app Chrome. If you don't see Account, make sure to open File Options General where theme choices also appear. You're doing this because Word uses two places for appearance: Office-wide theme and app background. Once located, you'll switch to the white option to see immediate changes. Now change the actual theme. From Account or Options, General select Office theme and choose white or colorful for a light interface. Also set Office background to none or a light option so the ribbon and borders stay bright. If Word still appears dark, make sure Windows Dark Mode isn't forcing app colors. Go to Windows Settings Personalization Colors and choose Light or allow Word to override. You're doing this to ensure both Office and System settings align for a true white interface. Finish by adjusting document-specific color. Go to View or the Dark Mode toggle and turn off Dark Mode for page content so the page background becomes white. Then close and restart Word to make changes persistent across documents. If the interface remains dark, update Office via File Account Update Options or reset Word settings by renaming the normal. DOTM template. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, sign out of Office and sign back in to refresh licensing and sync theme settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.